This Transformers 96 did another review, this time Marvel Universe, Series 3, Wave 3, Scarlet Spider. So here you go. So figure number 14, I believe it's the third wave. I could be mistaken, but I'm seriously thinking that it's the third wave. So here you go. So this wave, very cool. I'm really liking this wave, and I'm really liking all the characters in this wave. So because of that, I got them all, which is great. Really glad that I did. So I have all of them now. What's going to happen with these reviews is if I do everything on plan, it would be Tuesday I'll put out the review, which should be today, of Scarlet Spider and Scar, and then Wednesday it will be the review of I'm going to say Falcon. Thursday's review will be Doctor Doom, and Fridays will be Doctor Strange. If I am not mistaken, that's how I'm going to do it. The only things that could break that is if I have trouble uploading one, or there's some kind of problem, or family emergency, something like that, or if I get like a figure that I've been wanting for so long that's extremely rare and I want to review it right away. Those are the only scenarios where my reviewing plan will not be correct. So here you go. If everything goes to plan, the next review should be of Scar, just in case you're wondering. So there you go. So let's go over the box. Scarlet Spider. There you go. The artwork's very different. It's a different type of artwork. I think they changed the person who does it again. I'm not sure, but it's different. 14, Scarlet Spider, and then the rest, I have them all as you saw in the first place. So there you go. So this is my second attempt at making a video of this guy. I made a whole review, turned out very nice and everything, so it was all good. But then, and all I had was Spider-Man and Scar. But then, like a couple days ago, I got the other three. And I hadn't posted it yet, so I decided to just redo it all now that I had them all. So anyway, Scarlet Spider-Man. His base, it just says Spider-Man, doesn't say Scarlet, and 14, so very nice. So this is a cool figure. From what if I'm not mistaken, Scarlet Spider-Man was like a clone of Spider-Man that some bad guy, I'm not sure who, sent out to kill Spider-Man, but then ended up becoming one of Spider-Man's greatest allies, if I'm not mistaken. If you know who sent him out, just let me know. I'd like to know that. So this Spider-Man is very cool. I only have one other different version of Spider-Man, and that's this one, Spider-Man 2099. And if I'm not mistaken, they are the same sculpt. I think they're exactly the same sculpt, different head sculpt, or maybe it might even just be the same head sculpt. No, I think it's a different head sculpt, and then different arms from down here, and then he does have some ankle, wrist bracelets, and a belt and a shirt. So even though it's pretty much just the same sculpt, it's got some accessories on him which makes him different enough, which I'm glad with and I'm definitely good with. So I definitely like this guy. I like his jacket kind of. It's a really cool kind of jacket. I really like it. It's the blue. It's got some tassels here, the little strings on the jacket, if you can see them molded in there, which is nice. You can see the little hood at the back, and then the spider kind of image on the shirt. That's very nice. The belt, it's kind of like a utility belt. It looks pretty cool. Nothing too special, but it looks nice. It's not attached. It's just kind of laying there, but it stays there perfectly. Same with the wrist. Oh wait, no, the wrists do seem to be glued. But yeah. Articulation, it's got a ball-jointed head, ball-jointed upper torso, ball hinge arm, swivel shoulder, or swivel upper bicep, I think that's what you call it, hinge knee, swivel wrist, I think I already said ball jointed upper torso. Ball jointed thigh. Would have liked the ball hinge, but it's a ball jointed. And actually, everybody in this wave is a ball jointed, and none are ball hinge. It's a shame, but they added some different articulation on others. Swivel bicep or swivel up thigh, double hinge knees, and a hinge swivel ankle. I wish the hinge was a bit stronger on the ankle, but what are you gonna do? And also, one thing that I forgot to mention is that this is the variant. I did find the variant, which is cool. The upside down Spider-Man in the package, just so you can see that. Very neat. At first I was planning on keeping it in the package, but I got home, researched it, and it turned out it was not too rare, so I decided not to get it. Also, yesterday night I did find the variant of him. I didn't didn't buy it. It's the variant has the base that says Son of Hulk. I found it, but I didn't buy it. Hoping I made a good decision, but yeah. But anyway, onto the figure. It's very good. I like it. Would have really liked if they took Doctor Strange's hands, painted them red, and then threw them on his wrists. Because as you can see, Doctor Strange is in the Spider-Man pose. So they have all the plastic. They just put it on him. That would have made him look so much nicer. But they didn't. So what are you gonna do? So yeah. Whoa. Oops. Sorry about that. That was a side swipe, just falling from 2 shelves above, hitting my arm and then falling. That's crazy. Never had that happen. But anyway, it's a good figure. Not the best. Definitely the worst out of the wave. And not worst. It's a good figure for what it is. But what it is isn't that much. You know, it's okay. It's got a few new accessories, which makes him a bit different than the other Spider-Man characters. But yeah, definitely get him last out of everybody else. Definitely. So yeah, just so you know. So there you go. And paint apps are pretty good because they're pretty much just one solid paint throughout, except really on his eyes. So it works pretty nice. So yeah. So there you go. So that's my review of Marvel Universe Series 3, Wave 3, Scarlet Spider. Thanks for watching.